Welcome to Technical Furqan. In this quick video, I will show you how you can customize your Android home screen for a personalized look. So, see this video at last. And so, first of all, you have to click on Access Home Screen Setting. You can access home screen setting and you can change its setting to view a new look, personalized look. You can change its icon size, icon length, width, etc. So it's easy to customize home screen. So the next can change your wallpaper. You can choose customize your wallpaper to look a new personalized look. The next step you can do, you have themes for your mobile. You can open it. You you choose a best looking theme. Okay, I am finding a new look theme that will look best customized for my phone. So this is plain free. That is not free. You can choose free but best theme. So I download this. That is the free trial. Okay, I can use. It is applying stake sometimes. The next step, you can choose widgets. Long press and use new widgets. You can choose new widgets and shortcuts. You can also apply the shortcuts through different applications, and you can also draw favorite items in list and folders. So it's very good. So the next step you can do, organize your app. You have to organize your apps by dragging it to the desired positions. You can also create different folders for specific apps. For example, I create folder for Google apps and different things. Okay, the next step, you can use new launcher. You can open Play Store and download new launcher. Here are different launchers designed for specific device. They give a new look your phone. It's look like brand new phone. So in this way you can fully customize your mobile phone home screen with a new look. So I apply a theme that already download. So next I am applying this theme. So wait some time. It's loading. Now you can see it's a different look. My phone is looking different than before. Have you liked this look or not? Can you just tell me in the comment box? So that is it. Now your Android phone home screen is uniquely yours. Like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. I will be thankful for your support. Thanks for watching my video.